I'd like to talk a little bit about the vendor-driven confusion around mobility that's occurring right now in the marketplace. On one hand, we have enterprise mobility for essentially white-collar workers to do information inquiries, get their KPIs perhaps on a mobile device, maybe some emails or some information about that kind of stuff. Mostly inquiry driven. And that is different than what occurs on the plant floor and field service, where you have essentially blue collar mobility. Very different attributes. In the latter, with the blue collar mobility, people are either executing a maintenance work order, they may be doing rounds for inspections, or dealing with materials management. And those people are building a transaction in their screen. And that becomes a transaction that goes into one of the other systems, whether it be ERP, EAM, or other systems for managing that kind of information. Now, the screen layout has to have all the dialog boxes in it, and they fill out the dialog boxes. This screen is very specifically designed for a particular device, the size of the device, and having a large variety of devices would be rather problematic. So BYOD in the operations area, maintenance, operator rounds, etc., field service, is problematic at best. And in that case, you need to have a company-supplied device that when the application is developed, the application developer understands the screen and the layout. Another attribute that becomes important has to do with whether or not you're always connected. Now, in the case of inquiries for the white-collar operation, they're collecting emails or they're making an inquiry, and if they were temporarily out of service, it's a non-issue. They can wait. They'll probably be back in range again rather quickly. In the case of the transaction, the last thing you want to do after someone fills in all the fields, have them hit the send button, and they get a refresh screen that says, sorry, connection lost, and their data has all been lost. That kind of frustration will cause people not to use the system, and then as a result, the whole integrity of the system starts to become in question because the data is out of date or wrong or not there. So we have these two types of environments. I highly recommend that you involve a consulting group like ARC Advisory Group in your decision making. This is just one example. When you go to acquire an application or select a supplier or think through your architecture or strategy, that's just one example of where we can provide value to your decision making.